Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the Harris Float Boat 200 Cruiser. It's a 20-foot pontoon, gray in color. Inside we have the almond interior. It's two-tone interior. This is considered to be the center walk-through with dual helm layout. As you can see, there's lots of cup holders and there's two-tone loungers in the back. On the back we have a Mercury 90 horsepower engine, ski tow bar, of course a ladder to get in and out of the water. At the helm you'll find a Fusion radio player. There's 4 Fusion speakers as well as a depth finder, hour meter, and such here at the helm. And the co-captain seat has an area for cup holders as well. And then again, in the loungers, there's cup holders inside the seats as well. The flooring is an infinity woven flooring. It's very tough on dirt, water, scratches, and everything. Again, this is Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota, looking at the brand new Harris 220 Cruiser.